Oh, I didn't see you there. My name's Nate Bronstein. I'm the student government president, and what you're watching is our fireside chat. This time you're joining me at the top of the Avalon next to the grills, which counts as a fireside. Last week, we talked about Unigo.com ranking American University the #1 most politically active campus in the country. We also talked about Obama's visit, as well as the new department, IDEAS, the initiative to discover, empower, and advocate for students, and the revamped outreach system. If you have questions or are interested, simply email questions to secretary@ausg.org. Now, American, this week I'd like to honor someone who honored us by donning our colors and representing American University at the Tour de Cure, which benefits the American Diabetes Association. Mr. Thomas Trinka raised over $200 personally and managed to be the inspiration for this fireside chat. We're going to revisit the service initiatives. You see, the Community Service Coalition is a brand new department, originally started as a club by SBA freshman, now sophomore, Stephen Bronskill. The coalition will allow us to coordinate all the service resources on campus, allowing us to do two things. The first is that it will allow us to have service projects every single weekend. The second is that we will have more sustainable service projects, long-lasting projects that have a much deeper effect. Now, American, the Center for Community Engagement and Service, or MGC 273, is standing by to coordinate with the coalition and allow you to connect with the right people. Also assisting us is the Lions Club. This is an international organization looking to start a brand new chapter at American University. For more information about the Lions Clubs, simply go to lionsclubs.org. But this organization has 45,000 chapters and over 1.35 million members. It will also allow us to connect with the major service organizations in DC, Maryland, and Virginia, organizations such as City Year. If you're interested in being a participant in this chapter and bringing it to campus, you can email me, and you can also email me for questions and messages, at nathan.bronstein@ausg.org, president@ausg.org, or captain.american@ausg.org. Until next time, stay safe and enjoy your summer.